In this video, I'm going to show you how to get lost streaks back on Snapchat. So once you're in your Snapchat, go and click the top left to open your profile and click the top right for the settings to be available. Now under support, tap on the first option, I need help, and you'll be headed to this page. You're going to search for Snap streaks, and we're going to tap on probably the first option. You can choose here from the results. Now, how do snap streaks work and when do they expire? Or you can go to the next one. But if this helps, then you can tap on the first one, the related article on how do you restore your lost snap streak. So you can click on the submit a request from here. Just tap on that specific sentence that describes the situation and what do you need help with. So how do you get it back, and just complete here, fill out the information that is needed by Snapchat support for them to address your concerns properly. So don't forget to fill in here your username, your email, your mobile number. So just fill all the informations here completely. Your device, your friend's username, if you can provide one, and when did you start having this issue, and how long your Snapchat before it expired. So here, and if you see this icon, you can click yes or no. So if no, then for the description box, you can just describe in a sentence to what happened for them to attend and to really understand the problem. So maybe you can just put a sent snap, but it didn't keep the streak going, and just continue and do these things here to verify that you are a person, and click submit if you're done, and wait for Snapchat to update you with this matter. If this helps, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.